Rates have managed to find themselves in bad territory again with a really rough run over the last 2 weeks on the information coming from the PCE report unemployment numbers. Now, again, we talk about these numbers being artificial and not completely accurate, yet the bond market doesn't like it because these numbers were different than what was expected. The Central Bank of Europe, as well as international markets, not feeling confident that the American economy has a grasp on how they're handling inflation. So rates are back on an upward rise as the 10-year Treasury seems to climb as well. Now, what we have to think about is consumers' buying power. Is this altogether really, really bad news? And is there really a housing collapse that's imminent to come in the future? Not exactly. We have to really keep in mind that we have to remember that inventory is still very, very low and demand is still very, very high. The only thing that's really keeping buyers from being able to get into homes are some of these rising rates. But we do know that rates are going to come back down. And when they do, that's going to exponentially increase buying power, which further drives more buyers into the marketplace. Sellers in a little bit of a challenging situation right now, as some homes in the market area might find that their homes are longer than expected, meaning they're listed longer than expected. Well, that's good for buyers. Even though rates have risen and buying power has been compromised, you do have the opportunity now to be a little bit more negotiable in some of those sales transactions. What's really important to note is once those rates come down, those buyers are back out on the marketplace, further driving more demand with limited supply, and prices for housing will go right back up. So hang in there. More news coming out this week, and we do see a reprieve in the next 9 to 10 business days as we have more information coming out from the Fed on future strategy on what they're going to do with the economy. Thanks for this week's update. Catch you soon.